In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop fulfillment emails from sending before shipment in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. In the left sidebar, go down to Settings in the bottom left corner. Then click Notifications. At the top of the Notifications page, click Customer Notifications. This opens the area where Shopify lists the email and SMS messages it can send to customers grouped by type. Now scroll down until you reach the Shipping section, which appears below Orders and Returns. In this section, look at the Shipping Confirmation row. This is the email Shopify sends when an order is fulfilled. You will notice there is no toggle switch here, because this notification is controlled during the fulfillment process on each order. Right below that, you'll also see Shipping Update, Out for Delivery, and Delivered, and these ones do have toggles. If Out for Delivery is currently turned on, click the toggle to switch it off. If Delivered is currently turned on, click that toggle to switch it off as well. These are the follow-up shipping emails that Shopify can send automatically after the initial confirmation, so turning them off prevents extra shipping emails from going out too early. Next, click Orders in the left sidebar to go back to your orders list. Open any order that has an Unfulfilled badge. The order details page will load, showing the items in the order and the current fulfillment status. In the Unfulfilled section, click Fulfill Items, or mark as fulfilled if that is the option you see. A fulfillment window will appear. In that window, find the checkbox labeled Send Shipment Details to your customer now. It is checked by default. Uncheck that box so the customer does not get the shipping email at this stage. If you have a tracking number, enter it in the tracking number field. Then click Fulfill Items to finish. The order is now marked fulfilled, but no shipping confirmation email has been sent. Go back to the same order page and scroll down to the Fulfilled section. Click Add Tracking. In the Tracking field, enter the carrier tracking number. Then make sure the Send Notification to Customer checkbox is checked this time. Click Save. That sends the shipping notification only when the order is actually on its way and the tracking number is ready. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With this setup, the customer no longer gets a premature "your order has shipped" email when you first fulfill the order. Instead, the notification is sent later, only when you manually trigger it after shipment.